Okay, well, gosh, I thought I record this, but I did not. This is the review sheet. It's the same as station. Please look at station 2.6. I posted on already on Facebook, and it's basically the answer to that. If you know how to do that, you should know how to do this. Very similar. The graph is very close. I was explaining here how to do interval. Your highest interval here you worry about is your highest is 40, and at 40 your highest price for the ticket was $540. And what you do is you take the 40 here, you divide that how many squares there are going horizontally, and you get an answer of 2.6. And you can't choose 2, then it'd be too short. Can't choose 3 because counting by 3 is much more pain than, so we count by 5. So we count by 5, 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50, and then 100, of course. But like this one here, when you divide by 15, you got 36. So you can't count by 20 because it's not enough. The only closest number that's easy to count by is 50. That's higher than 36. And then that's how you get your interval to do this. What does the 2 graph means? Look at, again, station 6, I posted on there, compared to 2 answers. And here is the answer to the back side. I didn't have I don't have the paper. So the first question asked was how fast was Samuel driving between 0 and 2 hours? You take the total distance, divide by the total number he drove, which is 2 hours. Total distance was 90, and you get the answer of 45 miles per hour. Now B was the graph between 2 and 6. 2 and 6 graph looks like a horizontal line. That's what it is. You describe the graph as a horizontal line. The first one, if you describe the graph, it's a positive graph. Okay? And a horizontal line has 0 speed because he stopped to do we don't know what. You just make something up. Now on C, it says distance between just Samuel's driving speed between 6 to 10 hours. Well, at 6 hours, he was 90 miles away from home. And then at 10 hours, he was 50 miles away from home. A total driving distance of 40 miles, divide by 4 hours that he drove in 40 miles. That gives him a 10 miles per hour speed. He was in major traffic. Okay, and number two says, is the following a function? Yes, it is. If you put a vertical line from top to bottom on that graph anywhere, you will only hit that graph one time. A vertical line anywhere on that graph will only hit that graph one time, so therefore it's a function. Now on number 3, we can draw anything you want. Flower, happy face, square, happy face and a square. Makes it not a function because if you draw a vertical line, it hits 1, 2, 3, 4 times. You can, for it to be a function, remember, a graph hits it one time only. If you draw a vertical line, an imaginary vertical line, it hits the graph once. So whatever the graph is, that's what you're doing. That was tonight.